Nnawotwe ama wo akwaba Adom TV so bigidi se wote enka wasempa 94.7 FM ene memenda March bosomi atoso miensa afi 2022 mu no ne da etoso edunkuno memenda nya dru se ya na wotwe dwumadie na don hwere mienu a eda yanimu no yesi nkonya na yede somo nti mamindi kan da wasekora se odu afidie no ato Adom TV na fe asempa 94.7 FM ye Ghana month no amu enti ye hye Ghana na afei ye di Ghana ye tu Ghana na mo ne adwene wo man no ehum yidi sa na pen komo a eda pono so no eyade a ekaw na ekame nso so enti ye beji bre na afei atwehwe san komo yi dwumade ne ye free studios 355 Fanofa Street ewo kokomlemle en crime de dwumade ye de bre wo solid production team ena omota dwumade yi achi ma me fa se da so konfirm mpanifo a omoka dwumade boaboa no nyina ma de dwumade ye de ebro midin the chief Jerry Force no betimi afremi CJ kan ye ho fisam yakom se non du ebebo ne mfa na wotwe dwumade no ye mfa embrel ye mo akwanya na nso so waka ye ho ewo Facebook Adom TV on Facebook ana asempa 94.7 FM ewo Facebook na ye de dwumayi de abom ya mo ache ama wakwaba ade ba ko a Ghana ha se bo no kosoro a enim MPP ni na enim NDC ni enim CPP ni enimo pani enim abofra eye petro me che famgo ebo se kosoro na aka bibia ye be kai se aban eba banwa so bo ba ko a wo hyeye ene se nka petro no taxes ahodo bi e wo so nko be yi ni nyina afiri ho na ama petro no ne bo no adafam ye be ka na adodanko akufo ado then candidate ye ma ne kwan na se woduru hɔ a obetete so ama petro no ne bo no abafam but nei ne aye hunu no akwa bibia ewo ho petro bo no kwa na ekosoro in fact okọ pumps bi kura as we speak anapai pumps bi ekọ as high as 11.9 per liter kwa na ekosoro na sekoba ne saa na effect no akoka ahyentuade so transport fares eno no na fei transport fares no enya kape na goods and services so eho aka. I had a personal experience this week. Say ya wada no me drive here go filling station bi ewo achama amasama kwan no so 3 junction kwan no so wa mi wura mu no ane na me hu se nkofo ginegina pump no ho ase goal adwumayfo ni bi om ginegina ho a me di me car ni free main road no ho eduru pump no ho a me park ye no ena pump attendant no ba ko tell me say oh boss what the why late to say see ena o my calibration it price na den ekosoro na me say wow 89 cent ne ewo ho eno no ene ebegibre na fei yahwe the fuel price increment na fei yahwe atese cabinet ewo retreat omo de December komienu bia betodwa sa fuel prices eka ho ene manim ya woni ban adwene se ese man pani beka biribi efa fuel prices eho na fei anamo aban etuo na fei enkanka taxes ahodo a eda price fuel prices eso kwa obefa so na fei wetimi ayibi e de free. Now we are looking at about 12 taxes on petroleum products and no yehwe only GPRT forecast won say aban na betimi ayibeye enum woni copec forecast won say aban na betimi aye ho bribi aso aban no betimi aye ho bribi na ye no pese wo ye de nkomo ba begina copec for afei o ma bontrene say by week ya NDA na mimini say aban ante petrol ana fam go no eso a won be demonstration won di ye ana so sani aban ni kire mu no enya Ghana hanko a ukọ ba bia fuel prices no ekosoro na se huhu videos bi ni ade omo US ni Germany ni ade che se kwa na ekosoro ye ma aban no that benefit of the doubt na fe ye nja ne saa ana so ampara aban no eye hu bibia ebeye yi san komo no anapai ye betwetwe fadwen kire bra na ye kagu mframa mu no na aban no ana ye ka ekire no enkoma etosu mienu eye nianansen ekoso ewo mrahye begafie me kire ye kenkan budget no ewieye na afei ese etoso aba speaker of parliament edane no ho kakra ma fei deputy speaker betena akonyanim eba se ye to aba no honorable Joe Wise enso so koto aba ni bi well asemi akopie Supreme Court ma Supreme Court ede ensachraye bi aba even standing order 109 of parliament no and also so ordin such a be abemu atisi ano say woye deputy speaker now sound so ye mrahye bedwani a na say du say ye to aba utimi sore ekoto abano ebi asan so abetena wakonyam sansemi and a minority in parliament she say enya de a esene wo mutrim wa wa kyerɛ madwene bebre. In fact the former president Mahama wiki wa sheda serialize court ruling no ni Facebook page ya no abetu bibi atum the following day no atu bibi atum sa ene ye begimre na fe ya twetwe edon so mu enkomo ye be mo akwanya na ye bie phone lines no na won so de wadwen kyerɛ wo de abaso. Stay with us. These are very two critical issues are na pay ya gibre na ya twetwe mu enkomo. On the fuel prices increment no your videos bi wo hanoma na pay me producer dachi hene na ya wasante na daroma obeyi sa videos no na fe wa bobo ni nyina na me yetie ye wi a ye betwa ho ye ba afi mabeda mabedwafo adi ya mo achi am akwa aba.
An instability in fuel prices. He's among some drivers buying fuel on credit.
Because na me feel you sisi me chufu ani nyina manasa ama anopay we say me kwaku madam fu ba ko ba me wo say ono ka le fu esem say oni fu we wo de kem na me say me kura no me kwaku free fu e na de egu me kem na e free wo chena ko no says na me nya na me de atogu ve fu e na wo ka no munyu.
My fuel is finished. A friend told me this morning I can visit a fuel station to buy on credit.
Me free me bi na o mo de kakra bi ato so say de buy 5 cedis we de tia na me de 5 cedis na de aka unti fu e sem no de higher papa
emunyo 15 nkodidi na na de enye boy
are ze unika
ni mo ese be ka say o
onye scanner de ka yi ade masa
ese fu are kura jiska na opon a meeting so
I don't know many people kasa on we are like somebody will be sitting down think we are acting or something like that, but it's a rating.
Ni na ko shefu ani
you see, this is all of these things. Sometimes you cannot eat twice.
That's Asasari, also a commercial driver, whose friend just requested some cash from him for food. His vehicle now consumes more fuel than his body does. Asari says the increased prices have forced him to cut down his spending on food.
Myself, I eat twice a day because you can't buy them all. You're going to take breakfast, lunch, and then the supper. It's being very difficult for us. It's very. You skip lunch. Yes. You need to skip lunch so that sometimes you provide for those who also in need. Yes. Yeah. You will be even feeling tired. You work from, let's say, maybe early in the morning, 8 o'clock a.m., you've gotten some small porridge inside. So that one, you will be feeling okay. So maybe when you get to like in the afternoon, like from 11, 12, going at that time, you feel very tired because there is no food in the stomach. You get it, and you need to wait maybe from 3, 4 that before you can get something to eat so that you can take it for tomorrow. That is how it was. You'll be going for this trip, and you'll be coming empty because
Asari plans to quit the job he loves and feeds him.
You work and you won't get anything. Now we are working. It's look like we are working for the car owners and then government. Because the fuel prices is for those, so we work and you use the money to go and buy fuel. You work and you go and pay car owner, and that is all. What are you earning? So if you get something better to do, like quitting the business, quitting this driving work and get something, like we are just working on it. Because
Chairman, this thing is killing us. It's really killing us. Since they started increasing this thing, I've not been able to make my sales. I'm doing work and pay for somebody, and for the past 2 weeks, I've not been able to pay it. All my money goes into the fuel, and now I don't even know what to do to get my money for the fuel I've been buying. It's just too much for us. Too much. We can't do anything about it again. We just have to find ways and means, and then we will just organize ourselves and go for a strike. I think that would be the best thing. The government doesn't listen to us unless we put on a strike. So that's my opinion. We have to, because how can we buy a fuel for 10 liter, a liter for 10 cedis? It's too much. It's too much, and it's affecting our work. Seriously, it's affecting us. So the government has to do something about it immediately, please.
But someone says that, well, others are selling it at 8.2, 8.4.
No. It's never true. It's never true. See, I was about to short. That's why I entered here to buy the fuel. When I asked them, I stood there for more than 5 minutes because I was just shocked. I didn't know the price has increased today. So I just got here to find out that no, they are selling it at 9 cedis, 90 pesos, which is almost 10 cedis per liter. It's just too much for us.
As for the increments, Charlie, worry because nowadays, the work, the person doesn't no go as the olden days go. And we too, if you buy then it's short. So it worries us. Oh, because the increments of the fuel and the this, it between me and my car owner, always when it comes for the time for the season, I can't make it to the exact amount. So always, just begging my car owner or just consider me. So it's not easy. It's not easy.
So if you're not even able to make your sales, how about the one that you spend it out?
Once I am a family man, I'm supposed to settle my house so that I will go for my master. So always, as for the house there, I try to manage. Me and my car owner sign, that will be a problem there.
Petrol so do also an petrol bois and a cost. The Baba 10 years so if the Baba here for there's one breast of bread here for one and then only cake once in the year. Cake once in the year. The beer boy a day. I'm here for to be. One of my answers here says she said, power in the battle, so called better than she said, and discovered by a good to go. Free Chebby. Chebby on a who's give ya. Nobody's animal who's give ya.
Okay. I'm not quite baby. Yen can we enough in Traya Hombra, a bit of what's nasi. But O share comments are. Oma eni omo kasa nyina omo kansunsan so no blue friend a rippling effect because petrol no yete so a driver no a wukura car no I mean very sadly na saying driver for omo ntimi mfele omo tank off air na me crew wa he na me omo air twetwe nkomo omo ntimi mfele omo tank 1 gallon na otogum okọ ha ne ha na so ogina no san so pe 1 gallon gum kane no na sprint out me ko gina filling station wa filling the tank full diesel na ordinam kwan so 207 wa fill full tank no ordinam VIP no wa fill full tank no ordinam but say na niam akoye no uti o mampani o shebo eno na ye hu ma ntwe hu ma ye ba abadafo atenase e be se nkomo no ase ye ba